SimplyGo Mini is a powerful choice for a reliable and lightweight portable oxygen concentrator. Built to be tough, SimplyGo Mini was rigorously tested in real-world environments to deliver reliable performance day in and day out. Easy to change, long-lasting batteries and standard AC and DC power cords provide you with the flexibility to be simply confident on the go. The system includes several items: the SimplyGo Mini device, a carrying case with a shoulder strap, standard or extended rechargeable batteries, an AC power supply and cord, a DC power supply and an accessory bag. A user manual is also included. Additional accessories sold separately include a backpack and battery charger. You will also need a cannula and tubing. If you take a look at the SimplyGo Mini device itself, you can see a control panel at the top. The power button is used to turn the device on and off. The display screen shows information about its operating status and settings. The home button accesses the home screen, which is currently displayed. A patient cannula connector is set into the side, and a rechargeable battery is attached to the bottom. On the opposite side, there is a power input connector. For convenience, the device comes with a custom carrying case. Simply attach the shoulder strap and you're ready to go. For convenient use away from home, SimplyGo Mini can be powered by one of two rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. When fully charged, the standard battery can provide up to 4.5 hours of operation. The extended battery can provide up to 9 hours. To get the best long-term performance from these batteries, please read the Caring for Battery section of the user manual. Before you insert or remove a battery, be sure SimplyGo Mini is turned off. Hold the device in one hand and use your other hand to insert a standard or extended battery into the bottom compartment. To remove a battery, push the eject button on the center of the battery compartment. If you have been using the device, the battery may be warm to the touch. Both standard and extended batteries have a gauge, so you can check the amount of charge. To see the level, press the black button on the standard battery. On the extended battery, press the two black buttons simultaneously. The more LEDs that are lit, the greater the amount of charge in the battery. The LEDs will blink when the battery charge is very low. You can charge the battery using the AC power cord that came with your SimplyGo Mini. With the battery installed, connect the AC power supply output cable to the power input connector on the device. Connect the AC power cord's connector to the AC power supply. Plug the AC power cord into a standard electrical outlet. A green light will illuminate on the AC power supply when the device is energized. Allow the battery to charge fully before you use it for the first time. When charging is complete, disconnect the AC power supply and SimplyGo Mini is ready for portable use. As long as a battery is attached, you can also run the device using AC power. However, never use or recharge the device without the battery installed. To use DC power, plug the outlet cable of the DC power supply into the power input connector. Insert the other end into a vehicle's DC electrical outlet. You can use SimplyGo Mini while your vehicle is running. Turn SimplyGo Mini on by pressing the power button twice within 5 seconds. This prevents unwanted starts and inadvertent changes in oxygen flow. SimplyGo Mini is used with a standard single-lumen nasal cannula. The device works with tubing up to 10 feet or 3 meters in length. Avoid pinching or kinking the cannula as that can disrupt oxygen flow. Firmly connect a nasal cannula to the patient cannula connector. Before using the cannula with SimplyGo Mini, you touch the black screen or press the power button to view your oxygen settings and check your battery capacity. This screen will automatically shut off after 5 seconds. To make it reappear, simply press the home button or touch the black screen. Carefully position the nasal cannula on your face and breathe normally through your nose. The SimplyGo Mini display screen provides information and access to device settings. The home screen has several icons. A tool icon is used to access the device tool menu. The oxygen setting appears as a number. Underneath it, a dotted animation indicates when the device has detected a breath and delivered a pulse of oxygen. A warm-up symbol typically appears for the first 14 to 20 minutes while the system stabilizes enough to accurately sample oxygen purity. However, you can continue to use SimplyGo Mini at any time. The battery icon indicates the amount of charge remaining on the battery in use. You can adapt SimplyGo Mini to your preferences by navigating the display screens. Common symbols and actions are used throughout. Use the reverse arrow in the top corner to return to a previous screen. To demonstrate, let's change the oxygen setting. Touch the oxygen number to access the oxygen setting screen. Press the plus or minus button to increase or decrease the settings in a range from 1 to 5. When you reach a setting limit, the plus or minus key will be grayed out to indicate that it is no longer available. This setting dictates the pulsed volume of oxygen delivered when you take a breath through the cannula. To return to the home screen, press the Home button. Your selection will be saved. In the Tools menu, forward and back buttons are used to scroll through menus. To check the battery status, touch the battery symbol on the home screen. The battery percentage number and symbol indicate how much battery power is left. You may see or hear other alarms. Consult the SimplyGo Mini user manual for a complete description and suggestions on how to respond. To care for your SimplyGo Mini, you should clean the exterior covers of the device and rechargeable batteries after each use. Turn the device off and disconnect the power source. Take the device out of the carrying case. Remove the battery. Wipe the battery and battery bay with a dry cloth. Clean the device exterior using a damp cloth and mild household cleaner. Do not spray cleaners directly onto SimplyGo Mini, and be careful not to allow any liquid into the controls, case, or connectors. Wipe the device dry and restore the battery. With proper care and use, SimplyGo Mini will provide reliable performance and give you the confidence you need to get up and go. Innovation and you. Philips Respironics.